Hi everyone, this is Leslie and I'm recording this on the 1st of January 2021. Happy New Year. Now so many people at this time of year want to be a happy new you, and that's just what I'm going to be talking to you about. I'm going to tell you how you can use Herbalife Nutrition products to get yourself happy and healthy and reach your target body transformation goals just by using the basic nutrition products. So to introduce them to you, we have our healthy breakfast program, which is shake, tea and aloe. Only got two hands. Shake, tea and aloe. Let's see if I can get them all in. Right, so that's the basic healthy breakfast program. You can also add a protein drink mix, which is a milk replacement. So that's really handy because if you have that as well, you won't need to ever buy any milk. But let's just talk about the healthy breakfast program. So by taking your shake, 2 tablespoons in any smoothie or milk substitute that you like, 2 tablespoons for your breakfast. Have your hot cup of thermo tea, which will burn 80 to 100 calories, and add about 3 capfuls of the mango aloe, and that will give you a lovely healthy breakfast start to the day. And I always recommend those 3 products if you just want to get started and get healthy, and you will start to feel more energetic and just well, because your body will be receiving all the good nutrition, and thanks to the herbal aloe, it will help with the digestion, so everything will go in nice and comfortably into your system and be assimilated properly to the cells of your body, so you get proper cellular nutrition. Now, if you also include the PDM or protein drink mix, this will add more protein to your shake. So obviously that's helping to feed your muscles and therefore burning off some more fat. But it also means that you only need to have 1 spoonful of this in water and you've got the base to your shake. So you put this in water, 1 spoonful of this with 2 spoonfuls of the Formula 1 shake, which by the way comes in 10 delicious flavors. It's just like going to the ice cream shop and not knowing which flavor to choose. They're all yummy, they're all vegan, and they are all gluten-free. So great for everybody. Now, in addition to that, a lot of people at this time of the year think, well, I could do with losing some weight. So I would also recommend that you add a couple of extra products to this program. First of all, I would suggest that you have the oat apple fiber, which is great for blocking the fat and removing anything excess from the system that you don't want to have there, know what I mean? And just add an extra scoop of this to your shake and that will do the trick. And also the Formula 2 multivitamin tablets, they will fill in the nutritional gaps that are missing in the food that you're eating. Most food today just doesn't cut it, really doesn't give you all the nutrition that you need, and that's why you end up feeling hungry and full of cravings. So by adding those 2 products to your weight loss program, you will be able to remove excess fat and get rid of those cravings. So it's a real winning situation there. So I hope that's covered that for you. If you want to just have a healthy breakfast, you take 1 shake a day for breakfast and eat 2 healthy meals and a couple of healthy snacks. And if you want to actually lose weight, I recommend that you have 2 shakes a day in the place of any 2 meals, usually breakfast and lunch, and then have 1 healthy meal of your choice. But we also give you some guidelines, because when you get into our community of Herbalife Nutrition, we have our coaches that help you every step of the way so that you know exactly what to do, and you're supported by somebody who's already using the products and already has a result, so that you never feel alone and you never feel confused about what you should be doing. And so anyway, if that's something that is of help to you, I hope you'll get in touch with your Herbalife Nutrition coach if you have one already. If not, my contact details are at the bottom of this and I'll be happy to help you. All you need to do is to contact me, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you've found this useful, and I will come back with more tips and ideas and inspiration and helpful ways of using your products so that you can get the results that you want. Bye for now.